Hi, good day. My name is Yael Eduardo Torres Diaz. I'm B in the course of English Intermediate 1. Today I will talk about the solar system. I will play topics like the planets that exist in our solar system, the dwarf planets, and the characteristics of both. In our solar system, we have 8 planets in it. For a planet to be considered as such, it must have the following characteristics. It orbits around the Sun, it has enough mass so that its own gravity dominates the forces present as a rigid body. It is in hydrostatic equilibrium and therefore adopts an approximately rounded shape, and is the clearly dominant object in its vicinity, having cleared its orbit. Unless it have the characteristic before, it will be a dwarf planet. It have the next characteristics. It orbits around the Sun. It has enough mass so that its own gravity dominates the forces present as a rigid body. It is in hydrostatic equilibrium and therefore adopts an approximately round shape. It has not cleared its orbit of other objects. It's not a satellite of another planet. Therefore, within the solar system, there are only 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet has its characteristics. Mercury. In addition to being the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury is also the smallest in the solar system. Like Earth, Venus, and Mars, Mercury is a terrestrial or rocky planet. Venus. Venus is the planet most similar to Earth in terms of size, composition, and mass, but its temperature and atmospheric conditions are radically different and incompatible with life. Earth. As we know, Earth is the planet we live on. It is the largest of the rocky planets in the solar system, and one of its characteristics, which we can observe most nights, is that it has its own satellite, the Moon. Mars, the red planet, is the second smallest in the solar system and has 2 satellites, Phobos and Deimos. Recently, it has been discovered that Mars also has liquid water. Jupiter. This is the first of the outer planets, also known as the gas planets. It is the largest planet and the second largest celestial body in the solar system. Saturn. Saturn is the only planet with a ring system that we can see from Earth and probably the one with the most satellites. It is also a gas giant planet and is the second largest in our solar system. Uranus. Uranus is also a gas giant, but unlike Jupiter and Saturn, which are made mostly of helium and hydrogen, Uranus is made mostly of frozen water, methane, and ammonia. Neptune. The planet farthest from the Sun is also the coldest. It is another gas giant, the smallest of the 4, and is made up of the same main elements as Uranus. Pluto, Ceres, and Eris become dwarf planets. Subsequently, Haumea and Makemake have joined this category as well. On the other hand, Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Makemake, and Haumea, located in the confines of the solar system, will belong to a new category of objects, the Plutoids, of which several dozen are expected to be found in the coming years. In conclusion, the solar system has 8 planets and 5 recognized dwarf planets. All of we know about this was discovered for scientists. I don't know, maybe in the future we will discover a new planet or dwarf planet. If we study, we learn more things. For your attention, thank you.